We celebrate Zoe's birthday, but the main thing is my wife. She's the one who gave birth of this one, my daughter. When the mother gives birth to someone, she's bringing a whole new of herself. Bagong tao. Pinanganak niya yung sarili niya.
Binibigay ko na sa'yo yan.
Hindi lang benefits to the father, but more on the mother side. She's the one who, even it's a boy or girl, but especially on the girl, she born the new you. Pinanganak mo yung bago mo, Be. Sa'yo to. Oo, bagong ikaw. Bagong ikaw. Ikaw to, Be. Ikaw yan. Ikaw yan. Ikaw yan. Ikaw yan. Ikaw to, Be.
Ikaw ang gumawa!
Ikaw yan, Be. Kaya nga pala yung sinasabi sa sarili ko is sa dami na pinagdaanan natin, Be. Mga natira na lang yung matitibay, siyempre. Yung mga malalapit sa puso natin. Siyempre yung iba, itirwan lang. Pero yung matitibay sa puso, alam nila kung ano, ikaw, kung ano yung pinagdaanan mo bilang nanay. Kasi bilang nanay, it's about being, oy!
Hindi ako itiran. Nagparinig ka agad, insan.
Hey, come back. Sorry. I'm just speaking to my daughter. Bilang I knew you, Ben. This is ikaw. Ikaw to, Ben. Ikaw to si Zoe.
Lasing na lasing.
Kalahati ng buhay mo to.
Alam na yan.
Diba? Love you, Ben. Thank you.
Thank you so much, everyone. Let's give a big round of applause to Daddy Mar. Grabe yung message talaga ni Daddy Mar kay Zoe. Not only for Zoe, and of course the mother, Miss Arnelli. And now, Mommy Arnelli, it's your turn. What is your birthday message and a wish to your daughter?
Hi, Zoe! Happy first birthday, baby! Happy birthday, babe! You enjoy? I hope you enjoy your day. I know you won't remember this, but yeah, sure, there's a video here. We uploaded it, so when you grow, we keep showing you how happy and special you are with us. And thank you for coming into our lives. Last year, we prayed that we want a baby girl. No, actually, Tatay wants you a baby girl, but I want a baby boy. But Tatay, his wish granted. Yeah. So yeah. So we were here to support you no matter what, to nurture you. Okay? And yeah.
Ha?
We teach you to be a good girl, God-fearing. We hope you grow into a
Lalabas sila.
healthy baby.
Galing akong Dubai. Galing ako sa
Yeah,
office.
that's all I wish for you. You should joy and happiness in life.
Hindi ako natulog sa bus. Sinatid ko pa.
Thank you, Zoe. Happy birthday again, baby.
There you have